In this episode of Cobb TV, we are going to learn about a song that's in the time signature of 11/16, written by legendary video game composer Koji Kondo, and that song is Forgotten Isle 2 from Super Mario Odyssey. Yes, and I first learned about this song by seeing it on Wikipedia's list of songs in unusual time signatures, and it was the only one on there in 11/16 time, so I just had to listen to it, and of course I had to do a cover of it after hearing how awesome it is, and so I had to figure out a way to count and play along to it, because the thing with time signatures that have a 16th note denominator is you have to be that precise when playing them. Otherwise, if you play a note too long or too short, you're no longer in the framework of that time signature anymore. So I subdivide it like this when playing along. 1 2 1 2 1 2 3 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 3 1 2 1 2. So that's how I was able to count and play along to it. Of course, I checked my work with a metronome, and then I was going to do the drums on the recording, which I did on drum set, as well as the main guitar part, but then the lead parts was actually covered by my friend the great Gaspar, and when he was tapping along to it, he wasn't tapping the 16th notes, he was tapping much larger notes than that. He was tapping along like this, da 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 da, and he says to me, that's in 3, that's in 3, and I was like, well, it sounds like it, but I'm pretty sure it's in 11/16, it just has to be. We have a quarter note pulse of 4/16 notes per quarter note, obviously. And then the second beat is a compound beat. It's actually a dotted eighth note. See, we're used to dotted quarter notes, but dotted eighth notes aren't as common. And so our second note is 3/16 notes, followed by a regular quarter note, which is 4/16 notes. 4 plus 3 plus 4 making 11. 1E and a 2E and 3 and a 1E and a 2E and 3 and a 1E and a 2E and 3 and a 1E and a 2E and 3 and a... So that's actually a different way that you can count that. Even though it might not be a technically proper way of doing it, it's a good way to hear it in your head. And if you were to play any of those beats a 16th note longer, either by holding it out longer, by adding a 16th note rest somewhere, or even just playing an extra 16th note, you now have 12 16th notes, or 3 quarter notes, i.e. 3/4 time signature. The thing about playing it on the drum set is I actually do a double on the right hand in order to get my right hand back on beat 1. If you're a left-handed drummer, just scratch that and reverse it. So right, left, right, left, right, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, right, left, right, left, right, left. Play it on the cajon, it'll make more sense, because like I said, this is a percussion track. There's a lot of percussion instruments going on here in the song, and I'm just imitating that on the drum set, which is basically what drum sets were made for. We're made to imitate percussionists, but be one person playing all those parts. And so anyways, on the cajon, we go like this. Left, right, left, right, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, right, left, right, left, right, left, 1E and a 1E and 1E and a 1E and a 1E and 1E, 1E and a 1E and 1E and a 1E and a 1E and 1E and a 1E and a 2E and 3 and a 1E and a 2E and 3, 1E and a 2E and 3 and a 1E and a 2E. Na 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 na. And of course, singing it and playing it, or just hearing the melody in your head, is going to be the easiest way to count it. At least for me personally, that's usually how I count songs. I'm not always actually counting the subdivisions or the compound beats or whatever. I'm just hearing how the song goes in my head. So hopefully that helps you hear that 11/16 meter a little better the next time you're playing Forgotten Isle 2 on Super Mario, or if you're just listening to the song, or if you want to learn the song, or if you're just curious about the time signature of 11/16. Hope you enjoyed the video, and I hope you enjoy our cover of this song.